have the time here. We have the name of the sender, as you can see. We have the logo, and we have the message, and we have an option to delete the message. Let's have another one. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Wafit Watch Metro 2. And on this video, we are going to explore the message or push notification feature of the Metro 2. On this video, we are going to have a demo of the app notifications as well as SMS. We will see also if there's a support for emoji and number of characters. We'll check if we can send long messages on the Metro 2. So if you are interested to see how the push notification works with our Metro 2, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Metro 2. We are already paired with the support app. So it is using the JU Pro application, as you can see here. We are connected. So let's activate our SMS notifications here. The message notifications also. If I remember it correctly, when we pair the smartwatch, we already allowed the permissions for push notifications. We'll activate the WhatsApp application. So we will test this. Viber we have here. I'm looking for the Instagram. We have the Viber, Telegram. We have the Instagram. How about the Messenger? We have the Facebook notification. I think that's the app for Messenger. Do we see any Messenger here? Okay, so there's no separate app here, just Facebook notification. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Again, we'll check. That's it. So SMS is activated, message notifications is activated. So let's start and have a demo of the app or the push notifications, application, and SMS. Alright, so let's begin. So we have here our smartwatch. Let's see if there are some settings for our wearable here on the smartwatch. Let's go to the settings section. We have the display, raise to wake. We'll activate this. Password. What else do we have? Vibration intensity. We'll make it strong. Okay. Media audio. Again for the display, let's see. Okay, seems like nothing else. So let's start. So let's send a message here. Again, we are going to have a demo of the Viber, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Plus, we have the SMS. Let's go first with our Instagram. Then, to be followed by Messenger. So let's send a message. We have here, Sam is sending some messages. Let's say hello also. Hi, how are you? Then let's send. Message sent. And we have here the notification. So it works. Again, let's double check. So we have the time here. We have the name of the sender, as you can see. We have the logo. And we have the message. And you have an option to delete the message. Let's have another one. Are you okay? Then let's add some emoji. Okay, I think that's okay. Let's add a heart emoji. Then send. Message sent. There's a bit of delay. Let's see if we receive it here. We have the Instagram message. We have two messages here. Yes, we received the message, but it did not push here. Okay, so it's a bit late, but we have it here. So are you okay? And as you can see, if we compare the two messages or the same messages, we don't have a support for emoji, but we do have the message here. Alright, so before we end the Instagram, before we proceed to Messenger, let's try to have a missed call. It's now contacting, it's ringing, then end call. Let's see if we'll receive a notification. And we have here, you missed an audio call from Cindy. So it works for the call notifications. So far, it is very good for our Metro 2, except that there's no support for emoji. Next, let's have the Messenger. So the same setup. Let's try to call. Or, again, let's try to send a message first. Let's say hello. Message sent. Again, let's see if we receive the message. Yes, we do have it here. Again, how are you? So we have the message here, and we receive a notification. So we have the logo, the name, and the message. For call, let's see, can we receive a call notification? It is calling and call, and let's see, and we have here a call notification from Cindy. So it works also for Messenger. For the number of characters, let's see, or number of words, the quick brown fox. Let's see if we can send all, or we can read all these messages on the smartwatch. Let's have another one. There's a bit of delay for messages, and we have it here. So it is scrolling, as you can see here, automatically scrolling. It's an example of Pangram. Okay, so all of the messages here is sent in the smartwatch with automatic scrolling. Very good so far. Okay, I'm contented with the push notifications for our Metro 2 here for Messenger and Instagram. Next, let's have the WhatsApp and Viber. So let's open the Viber app or the WhatsApp application. Let's go first with WhatsApp application. So let's send a message. Hello. Again, we have the logo for the Facebook and our Instagram. We also have it here. We also have it here in our WhatsApp application. And it's not just the logo, but we do have the number, the phone number. Hello again. Instead of a name, we do have the phone number here. So we have the Cindy again. Okay, so I guess previously it's now loaded. As you can see, we have the name now. Then let's have the call, and you have an option here to answer or deny the call. We will deny. Again, let's see if we can answer the call here. Hello? Hello? Yes, it's working. Okay, that's very good so far for WhatsApp. So you can answer calls here on the Metro 2 if it's coming from the WhatsApp application. Let's try if it has support for emoji. So there's support for a call, application call. Let's see if there's a support for emoji. Again. So there's no support, I think. Okay, so there's no support for emoji. But we do have a support for calls. Okay, I just want to make it clear, we do have a support for calls for WhatsApp application only. Next, let's have the Viber account. After this, we will have an SMS demo. Hi, how are you? Message sent. Hopefully, there's a support for Viber also. Yes, we do have it here. We have the logo and the message for calls. Ringing and call. Missed call notification for Viber. Yes, we do have it here. Very good so far for our app notifications for the Huawei Watch Metro 2. And the last one, let's have our SMS before we end this demo. So I'm impressed with the support here for our Huawei Watch Metro 2. If you are a WhatsApp user, I think you will love this smartwatch. So we have here Cindy. So there's a support for SMS notifications. Again, let's see. Sending. And the same with the application, there's no support for emoji for SMS. So that's it for our demo with the Huawei Watch Metro 2 smartwatch push notification feature. And so far, we are contented, we are impressed with the feature of Metro 2 for smart notifications. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.